Hi guys, my name is Naeem. Today my cousins are at my home on Sunday. Come on. This is my cousin Ayan.
My name is Mohammed Saeed.
And this is Ramin. And you also know my little brother Sarim. Today we are going to show you how to make a golf course with Lego. Some golf sticks too and the balls.
Today we will make a golf course with Lego, and these are first we will make boundaries and golf obstacles. So the ball we can play with the ball, and we will make a place to rest chairs, and we will make a place to put our golf sticks and our golf balls. And my favorite obstacle in all of these will be the windmill. This is our first obstacle. This is a slope on a 4x6 base and another small slope, a tile and some boundaries. And the ball will slide like this on top of it and go in the hole. And this is our hole. It's just a 2x2 plate.
Now guys, we putting this like chair, okay? I'll put it here. Now I have a man like this. Put it here. Now this one, I'll attach here. I don't know how that's here. I put the chairs in their places. And this flag, I'm going to put it. Let me help you. Yes. The person who will win this golf course will go to this flag, and a person will give him some trophies. This is the owner. He is right over here.
Next golf course, that will be the windmill, and first you will need a bridge and 1x1 plates and these bricks, and on top of it this is a 1x2 brick. And then you will take 3 of these 3 hole plates, put them like this to make our windmill. And this is our windmill, and we will put this on our stand and attach it over here. Like this. Piece. The last finishing. And this is our windmill. And we will make a hole. I put like this, and this is our hole. We can put it over here.
I made these golf sticks and golf balls. Some rounded 1x1 thing. I don't know. As you can see, I'm putting this over here. I think it goes a little bit over here.
I think it's over here. Yeah. This is a nice stand that you made.
Thanks. Guys, we made this golf course.
Our golf course is ready.
This is a windmill. This is the winning place where you will win a trophy, and this is the man who will give you the trophy. You guys can see. He's looking at you. And guys, this is a bridge I made. The ball will go under this. The golf course. Guys, I hope you liked our video. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like
our video. Thank you guys. Channels, you should subscribe to Brainscope and to Youngstars.
This is our glove cup complete.
Golf course completed.
Oh, what's that?